Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are looking to maximize your window space for your plants, then you are going to love these hanging acrylic shelves.
These are from the brand SupremeTech, and when I tell you I am so in love with these shelves, I'm not even kidding. They are so incredible. It comes with everything that you need, and they're all super customizable, adjustable. It comes with these great little brackets that you can just tighten. That way, you can adjust your shelves however you want them. And for this window setup, I double checked with the company and they approved this setup. I have mine wedged right in my window. The window's locked, it's not going anywhere. And these shelves are so strong. They hold all of my favorite little plants that have been taking up so much space in this kitchen window, and they have been fighting for their moment. And now they get it. I love these shelves. They are so sturdy and perfect, exactly what I needed.
I've gotten a million compliments on these hanging shelves. Everyone finally gets to see all of my beautiful plants the way that they should. I am so in love with them. I think you should definitely get yourself a whole bunch, one for every window. And that's my point of view.